Hello, welcome back. This is James Area from UX Today I'm going to be demonstrating this product called HourLot Time and Attendance. The HourLot Time and Attendance is designed to work alongside the HourLot Rostering Management System. This is a demonstration of the user interface, how it's designed to work, and I'm going to show you in just a moment. The application is designed to work on a tablet computer, so any tablet, either Samsung or iPad, it can work on it. However, the application is designed as well to work on mobile devices, but to get full optimization and the user friendliness, how the application will work in real time, in terms of in your environment, then it would be better to have it run on a tablet PC rather than on a mobile app. But the staff can have it on their mobile app to do some functionalities as well. But for the purpose of recording information, then you'll be able to use the tablet in your location when you are capturing users clock in and clock out records. So I'll just get started now by clicking the apps. I've already installed the app on my tablet. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. And I'm using this side Samsung side share screencast to demonstrate this app. So I'm just going to go into the app, and I'm going to go into HourLot Time and Attendance, and immediately we see the app loading, and for the first time you can click get started and we see the app dashboard. This is what we have when the app first loads, and user will be able to clock in or clock out of their shift using this button, or log in to access their account to see other features and functionalities that they can do with the application. So if user want to clock in and clock out for their shift, they can come in and clock in, and they can enter their employee number and enter any comments if they are running late, or if they're going to be late for work on that day. They can say, type in any information so that the manager will know why they are clocking in late or clocking out late. And once they are ready to clock in, they simply hit clock in, and the camera of the device will be activated, and user will, we just have to face the camera to take something that looks like a passport photograph of their image. And this is to ensure that the staff that is clocking in is the right person clocking in for their shift, so that we don't have people clocking in and clocking out for themselves. Once they've done that, it shows them if they're clocking out in afternoon, good afternoon. It shows their job title, and it shows when they're clocking out, their location, and it shows the shift they are on today. Like I said, this information will be from the roster information. So if this person is not working on that day, they wouldn't be able to clock in the first place. So the first integration of using this HourLot Time and Attendance will be to implement the HourLot Rostering Management System. So once they've done that, they can down press the clocking, but once they press it, they can undo these changes. So user need to be really careful when they are clocking in, so they know that their face is the photograph has been taken, and they can confirm that they are the one indeed clocking in for that shift. They can now clock in, and once they clock in, the pop-up will show, and they will simply just wait for a few seconds, and the pop-up will redirect them back to the landing screen. Similarly, if they want to clock in, they can simply go again, enter their employee number, reason why they're clocking in, and they can say clock out for their shift. Same process goes, and they simply just hit clock out button to confirm that they've clocked out. Automatically the screen is redirected back to the home session, and that is the clock in and clock out process. If the user wants to log in to access their account to do more things about the system, such as checking in their clock in and clock out record, submitting availabilities for shift that they want to do and when they're not available, generating their timesheet, or also viewing their shift schedules when they are working on a particular day or week or within a date period, they can simply log into their account area here, which is this. They simply enter the employee number and they log in. Once they log in, they see 4 buttons, At the moment, this is the 4 button that the HourLot time and attendance is going to provide, and they can view their clocking records, and they can submit their availability, choosing a particular date the form will show, and they'll have their availability submitted. They can view their clocking, they can view their shift schedule as well, and they can view their shift schedule on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and on a monthly basis, or they can view it on a custom date. So once they have their shift schedule on a daily basis, it's going to show them this is your shift today, their department name, their department location, the date and type of shift, the end time, and any other information that they are going to need working with this customer. They can view weekly as well, and they can view monthly and a custom date. So generally, that is how this application works. It's very simple to use, it's very easy to understand, and user will be able to use this application once the roster management system is working. So the first point is to ensure that the roster management application is working and the user can get the most out of the data, and they can generate timesheet, which is going to show generate their monthly timesheet using their clocking record. This is a short tutorial, and if you want to know more about HourLot rostering or HourLot time and attendance, drop me a message and I'll be glad to give you more information. Thank you very much. Bye for now.